Classic, close-in country living surrounded by nature. This incredible property is ideally located, just 10 minutes from Sandy and 40 minutes to Mount Hood. This unique, nearly 5-acre property provides a peaceful retreat featuring an updated 4-square farmhouse and more than 5,300 square feet of outbuilding shop and garage space for all of your vehicles, toys, and hobbies. It's your tranquil oasis, perfect for connecting with nature and entertaining family and friends. Beautifully updated and exuding vintage charm, this classic country home features original 100-year-old fir floors just refinished, a cozy propane stove, and a light and bright interior wrapped in windows. Enjoy the custom-built kitchen with new appliances, including a glass-top convection range, granite countertops, and soft-close doors. A main floor bedroom has access to the deck and a continental bath. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious primary bedroom suite with the potential to create 2 rooms. The full bath includes fir flooring, a clawfoot tub, walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet with organizers, plus another light and bright bedroom on this upper level. The partially finished basement features a utility room, bonus room, and storage space. From the back deck, host memorable gatherings while taking in the sights and sounds of nature, including a wide variety of birds, deer, squirrels, elk, and other wildlife. You'll also find a tree fort, park-like yard, and plenty of room for your farm animals or backyard chickens. This huge garage features 4 sections with 2 lofts, a half bath, a 29-foot deep RV space, 220-volt power, a propane line, and much more. The large pole barn includes 6 full-height sliding doors, a loft, and room to add on to both ends. Mostly fenced and cross-fenced, you'll find multiple fruit trees, berries, numerous perennial and evergreen shrubs and trees, plus a 5,000 square foot garden and greenhouse. Truly an ideal home for homesteaders, nature lovers, and hobbyists alike. A rare opportunity for classic, close-in country living. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Kristin Harris with Premier Property Group.